I'm stuck on the road about 9 minutes from where you guys are.
And the truck broke down. Welcome to the main building for personal tours. We're watching YouTube videos. We're not really sure what to do. Do it again. We are in beautiful Hartington, Nebraska, and we ordered some new lights for the truck because they are old. We are driving a 2015 Chevy and the lights are just not great anymore. So we ordered new lights and we are going to put new lights on. But first, it's still really early and we're gonna need some coffee first, and then we're gonna replace the lights today. I mean, we're watching YouTube videos. We're not really sure what to do. So we're gonna have some fun with that today. We are leaving Hartington tomorrow. We've been here for about 3 days. The kids have been fishing. Danika's enjoying the fishing. Dalian is enjoying the fishing. And yeah, the people have been great. We are at the paddle. They call it the paddle. It's I would say, a very large pond where there's so many fish in here, and we've just had a great time. The weather is perfect, and now make some coffee first. But first, let me recap about what we've done while we were in Nebraska. Our friend Sylvan wanted to show me how to make a wooden bowl. So the process started with a mushroom, then we made salt and pepper shakers, and then at the end we made a wooden bowl. Love it! I just stepped outside for a minute. We're busy making a salad bowl or a bowl, and he keeps on changing the speed and the different tools that he's using, and he's very focused. Yeah, I'm sure you need to be very focused and very careful when you're doing that. I'm really enjoying this. Getting dusty. So we're part of it like off now, and he has to make another plan.
What heats our house in the wintertime.
So the wooden, they call it a lathe. There is a part of there's a part that he keeps on the bowl at the bottom that stays in the machine for the bowl to be able to turn, and that broke off. He said it never happened before, so he's just making a new plan. This is not his first day.
We'll get it, I guess.
Break on the bowl, or it just came off?
I made a tendon
Yeah.
and it broke off to put my jaws on.
Mm-hmm.
Might have to take that outside on my other sander. Ooh, there's some rough spots in there.
We loved learning about the whole process, and this is what he made.
1900 Chevy 2015, stuck on the road about 9 minutes from where you guys are. I've got a diesel leak on the truck. Do you have a towing company that you can recommend? I'm traveling to Washington, so I need to get to Washington, so I'm in a bit of a pickle here.
We just came into South Dakota and the truck broke down next to the road. We tried to call a towing company. We're just really struggling to get someone to come and tow us now. We need 2 towing vehicles since we have the truck and the trailer. And the diesel filter of the truck just says 0. Doesn't want to go anywhere. It's lunchtime, so I'm going to make us some lunch, put on something warm because it's cold today. Hopefully we can get someone to come and tow us so we can get this vehicle running, because we need to be en route to Washington soon. Bit of a situation. Welcome to South Dakota. So that is our diesel. We were in Yankton, waiting for the mechanic to give us some feedback about the truck. The extent of the damage to our truck was too severe, so we had to make a decision to start looking for a new vehicle. Please come to the main building for personal tours. Yeah. Hi.
How are you doing? Good. I'm looking for a diesel. I don't know if diesel. Yeah, no, you came from there and you said you can come and check this.
We stopped to have a beer at Mayfield Bar and Grill. The owner was so nice. This was my view for almost an entire day. We finally made a decision and bought a 2020 Chevrolet. Watching Billy load the bike on the new truck was not easy. We had to leave the truck that brought us so many miles behind. We were camping at Lewis and Clark and we had such a beautiful time, and we're driving off with our new truck. We heard about Wall Drug, and next to the road we saw all these signs, so here we are.
Oh, 1 mile in fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shining bright.